Today's video is about how to condition your hair using only natural remedies. One is neem oil and another one is aloe vera. Take a gel of aloe vera. I've already taken a gel of 2 to 3 pieces of aloe vera and add some neem oil into this. Okay, mix this well. Apply this on your scalp including your full hair, and you can close with any steam cap and let the aloe sit in the hair for about 10 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. You can use this 3 to 4 times a week. Ensure your hair will condition properly and the growing of hair will be healthier and less dandruff will be removed. All the things have this. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow. Bye. Hi, today's video is about how to get a healthier scalp and healthier hair, and also used to get rid of dandruff. I'm going to use only one ingredient for that. One, that is neem oil. You can take a small amount of neem oil on your hands, your palm. Okay, take a small amount of it and apply this on your full hair including a scalp. Massage the oil on scalp and leave it overnight. You can massage it and can also use with this any almond or coconut oil. Why? Because neem oil has a strong smell and you might find difficult to tolerate this, so you can add any other oil giving a good fragrance. The best way, you can add almond hair oil and you can leave it overnight and wash it off at the morning. You can see amazing results within a 2 to 3 days. Sure, your dandruff will be reduced and totally gone, and you will get healthier scalp and your hair will go faster. Okay, thanks for watching my video. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week. Regular using of this will gives you a best results and healthier hair within a month. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow. Bye. Hi, today's video is about how to get rid of dandruff using only one fruit, that is sosa fruit. Do you know? Okay, I have taken a pulp of this fruit, removing all the seeds and peels. Take this on your hand and apply on the scalp and leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with regular you're using shampoo or conditioner. You can use this regularly for best results. This can help fighting dandruff. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week. Sure, this gives you a best result. Who are suffering from a heavy dandruff, this will fight against the dandruff. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please comment and like my channel. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow.